Good morning, guys. I'm here at the beach today and we are going to shoot some content. If you guys watched my last vlog, I went to Hawaii and I also got some fabric from a cute shop there. So I brought it home and I made a swimsuit. It's really small but really cute, just the way I like it. So I'm excited to show you guys. After the photo shoot, we're gonna do some errands and probably stop by a few stores. So come hang out with me and enjoy the day. Okay, so I'm getting set up to do our photo shoot, but here is the final look. It's so hot outside. It's only 10:30 and it was about like 86 degrees, but it feels like it's 90 or more. I don't know, it's just really hot. So next we're gonna go to Whole Foods. Trey needs treats, our little doggy. He only gets treats from Whole Foods. That's what his sensitive stomach can handle. So we are getting treats for him. He's gonna be so happy when we get home. And then after we're gonna go to IKEA. There are some cups that we want there for a matcha latte or coffee morning. I've also been making like chia seed pudding, so I want to put the chia seed pudding in the jars and have some breakfast. Okay, let's go. Here, it's like my wedding bouquet. Before, looking for inspo, me and Andrew went to Michael's and we put together like fake flowers just to kind of visualize how my wedding bouquet would turn out, and it turned out perfect. Thank you to our florist. Pretty petals, thank you for the bouquet. Kind of looks like this, but way better on the day of. You guys, look at this artwork. It's of the Bay Bridge. I miss the Bay so much. Finally found it. It took us 20 minutes. 20 minutes to find these. They're in a weird spot, but I guess TikTok said it's in a weird spot too.
It's by like the lunch bag.
By the lunch bags. We walked around the whole over here section for 20 minutes, but it's by these, by the lunch bags. I don't know, these containers, but we found it. This is my breakfast. I haven't eaten anything today yet. Oh man, it's already melting. Last time when I got it, it was like melting all over my hand and I didn't even like get to the car yet. We got pizza! So I just got home. We had lunch. We had Little Caesars pizza, and I just made a matcha with the cup that I got from IKEA. It's really cute, and I wanted to give you guys a house update. I got a few things that I wanted to share with you guys. So I got an Our Place air fryer, and I got a espresso maker, a juicer, and a blender. The brand is Magic Bullet, which I really like, and 2 couches for our living room, and a mirror. It's from Target, but it's like the one that we used during our wedding, so I got a new one just to have in our house, and a lounge chair. I'd show you guys, but it's way too hot to go outside and it's about to rain, so here is a clip for my reel. Okay, so that's it for today. I'll see you guys in the next vlog in about 2 weeks.